So I'm off of work, it's cold outside. I'm in here doing my normal thing in the apartment, which is making breakfast, but I want some more coffee, and I don't have a coffee pot in this apartment. So what I'm gonna attempt to do right now is make coffee without a coffee pot. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Now here on the counter we have my little coffee cup, we have a strainer, and I'll show you why I have this, a bottle of water, some coffee bags, and some filters, and I have the Joule electric kettle. So my plan is to boil water in here, put a filter in here with coffee grounds in that on top of that, and we'll pour the water out of that over the grounds and into the cup. Just enough to put coffee in the cup. And we're gonna see how this works. It should. It's like camping coffee. So here we go. Alright. Looks like regular style poured over coffee to me. I added my creamer into it before I even poured it in there. Alright, poured over coffee in the apartment. That's good coffee.